Hello everyone. In the last video, I have given introduction to the different commands that are available in Tickle scripting to perform different tasks within the strings. In this video, I will explain one of the command that is available in Tickle scripting, that is compare string. Here, the compare is the command which is used to compare two strings, two or more strings. Here, for example, if we have two strings, whenever we use the compare command, it will compare both the strings lexicographically, which means dictionary order, like alphabetical order. It will compare the strings. If both strings are same, that is, if they are both strings are equal, then it will return 0 as its output. If string 1 comes before string 2 within the order that we are using, then it will return the value as -1. If string 2 comes before the string 1, then it will give the value as 1. This is how it will compare different strings in Tickle scripting. Let us see an example with respect to this compare command. Here I am taking the string as s1. For the variable s1, I am taking the string as cat. For your basic understanding, I am taking very small words. Setting the string as mat. Let me set the string s3 as mat again. Let us print string compare. This is the command to compare the strings $s1, $s2. Then we will be printing if this command string compare s1 and $s2, if both gives the value as 0, then we can say the both strings are same, that is, it will return the value as 0. Let us see. Let us print puts strings s1, s2 equal. This is what we have discussed earlier. Let us give another condition. If equals to -1, if this is equals to -1 means this is the condition, this is the expression that we are checking, so it is equals to 1. If it equals to -1, as we have seen, the string 1 comes before string 2, which means let us print comes before S2. Let me take another condition. If equals to 1, then S2 comes before S1. Let us execute this and see what will happen. Here this is how it will return. Here we can see I have set the S1 as cat and S2 as mat. Here I am comparing S1 and S2 and I am checking the condition. If we compare, it will print the value. It will compare the value and it will print the value. Here we can see the cat and mat. Here we can see C comes first in dictionary order. So it is giving the cat comes before mat, that is it is giving -1. So it is checking the condition. If string compare S1 and S2 equals to 0, as the condition is false, it is going to the next statement, that is if the condition string compare S1 and S2 equals to -1, as the condition is true, it is printing the statements within the if block. Then it is going to check the condition. As the condition is false, it is not going to print anything. This is how it will return. Let us change this strings to S2 and S3. Let me execute this and see what it will return. Here we can see, as I have set the values of S2 and S3 as mat, as the both are equal, it is going to execute this. Put string compare S2 and S3. It will compare the strings. As the both strings are equal, it is returning the value as 0. Here it is checking whether string compare S3 and S2 are 0. As the condition is true, it is going to execute the statement S2 and S3 are equal. This is how it will return. It is not going to execute any of the conditions after this if block, as the condition is satisfied here. This is how it works. Let us see other thing. S3 and S2. S3 and S1. Here we can see I have set the value of S3 as mat and S1 as cat. It is checking whether S3 and S1 are equals to 0. It is checking the condition. It is comparing the both strings. Here we can see S1 comes before S3. That is, it is returning the value as 1. So it is printing the output as string S1 comes before S3. This is how it will work. This is about string compare statement. Let us see other statements in the next video. Thank you.